Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Xero account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, locate the Connected Apps icon, click on it, and then select Open Xero App Store. This will take you to Xero's marketplace, where you can browse and connect various business apps. In the App Store, type Shopify into the search bar and select the official Shopify app from the results. It's important to choose the correct one to avoid any confusion with similarly named apps. Once you're on the Shopify app page, click Get this app to begin the installation. You'll see a few prompts explaining the app's functionality. When ready, click Connect App. You'll then be asked to enter your Shopify store address. Make sure you type the correct URL to ensure a successful connection. After that, click eConnect, and Xero will begin linking your Shopify store. Then it will take you to Shopify Store to download Xero Integration app. Follow these steps carefully. These configurations determine how your financial data, such as sales, payments, and taxes, are synced between both systems. Finally, click on Finish and Connect, and your Xero will be connected with Shopify, and that's it. So that is how you can integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. So that's all for this video. Thanks.